Hello, I'm excited to show you the latest addition to our specialty tractor line. This new 5075 GL is designed low and narrow to easily maneuver in and around orchards or vineyards without damaging branches or high-value fruit. This tractor measures slightly larger than 4 feet high by 4 feet wide. While compact in size, it's built to handle everyday workloads throughout the year, like cutting, spraying, and hauling, even for commercial operations. The 5GL has a 75 horsepower final Tier 4 engine and generates 61 PTO horsepower to run a variety of implements. And to handle a wide range of hydraulic needs, this tractor delivers a total system flow of 25.5 gallons per minute. It uses our proven Tandem-Pump System to easily steer and brake at the same time. You can also add an optional third pump for almost 33.5 gallons of hydraulic flow per minute. This four-wheel drive tractor comes standard with a 3-range 2412 power reverser transmission, including creeper speeds, as well as convenient Electro-Hydraulic high-low and Declutch push-button controls, which lets you select the desired speed for a variety of jobs. The 5075 GL is truly a unique solution for small to large orchards and vineyards that need a compact and capable commercial grade tractor.